I just want to be friends. He just nom me. Hello everyone, my name is Yurik Ladd and welcome to Do Not Take Your Eyes Away from the Red Refrigerator. It's a game made by Cosmonaut and a bunch of other people, but the main name is Cosmonaut. Again, I will leave the link down in the description below if you want to try it for yourself. And I think the general idea of this game is that you don't take your eyes away from the Red Refrigerator. Sounds simple enough, which means that it probably is not going to be. So let's go ahead. Apparently it looks like there's another level, maybe elevator and hospital or extra levels. I'm not exactly sure, but let's try refrigerator then. Hi. Okay. So I'm not supposed to take my eyes off of you? What happens if I do? Oh, I see. Stop that. Okay, so do not take your eyes away from the red refrigerator. Hi. I see you. Okay, so what am I supposed to do here? Nope. Okay, so did you just go nom? Oh, no. Do not fall asleep. Oh, I see. No. No. Okay, so this is like a test to see how long we can endure, right? I found a doll at the refrigerator and Laurie's drawings were lying next to it. My fridge likes... Oh. Don't. I'm just gonna go quick. Nothing? Ah. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so what am I supposed to do here? Did the doll move? I don't think the doll moved. If I find out his home, I'll be able to leave. Okay, so what exactly am I supposed to do here? It's what? It's 9 hours. The fridge is not responding? What? Don't. Hey. Nope. Dude, come on. Stop growling at me. Oh, I can zoom in. Oh, this is very useful. Okay, so if I find out at home, I'll be able to leave. If I want to look... If I look... What? If I want... It wants me to look at it. So you want me to look at you, huh? Okay, so... Wait, what? I just want to what? Nope. Wake up. Like an angel? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Okay, so there's a puzzle here, I think. There's a lot going on around. Oh, hello. I'm not trying to escape. I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do here. Peekaboo. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay, I think I got it. I think I figured it out. I think... You were moving a lot. Okay, so I'm building a word here. So... Do you see that? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so I'm trying to build a sentence here, I think. So I need more letters. Oh, you're up again. Okay. So... Hey, buddy. How you doing? No. I got another letter. Yes. Okay, what are we spelling here? Trying to... I don't understand. What were we spelling here? Hey. How you doing?
Hey. How you doing?
Why are you moving? Blah, 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 blah. Two. Little princess. Okay. Okay, so there's got to be more letters around here, right? Let's try and get all this out of the way. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. If I turn away, I feel like it's going to kill me. No, it's not. You're being paranoid. I won't let me... Will you stop that? Do you mind? Okay, so... There's got to be more letters around... Ooh, what are you looking at? No, you don't. Oh, there's another letter right there. Don't. Who stole the magnetic letter? Shut up. Stop that. Don't. Oh, come on. Fuck's sakes. Here we go. D... What? Okay, so I'm listening... Oh! What? Am I like a child or something? Hey, how you doing? Okay, hey, so where's the other letter? Am I telling me that? Okay, letter. His name is the Frick. Ah! I know your name now. Okay, I know I'm missing a letter. I don't know where it is. I'm curious, however, what is going to happen if I look away from it for too long? Okay, come on. Bring it on. I'm waiting. Oh, hi, you're really close. Come on. He's coming. I just want to be friends. He just nom-nom-nom me. Okay, so this fridge is basically a mimic. Okay, so now let's actually try and beat this game. We know that the doll keeps it sleeping. So that's the D. Oh, there's no letter there. Oh, there's a letter over there. The G. There's the F. There's another letter over there. Oh, there's another one letter over there. Shush. Okay, so now, again, it's the E. Oh my god. It's right here. Oh, there. Whoa. Well, okay. Well, there you go. I mean, it wasn't bad. It was entertaining. Once you start figuring out how the fridge actually stops moving with the doll, then it becomes a lot easier. But it wasn't exactly scary. But hey, it was still pretty good. Again, this was made by Cosmonaut. The link will be in the description below. And, oh, there's a Steam page. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so... okay, so these levels here, they're not locked. Well, actually, they are locked, but the reason they're locked here is because we have to buy the actual game on the Steam page. Which, okay, yeah, that makes sense. I can put the link for the Steam page on the description as well. Anyway, this was... Don't not take your eyes away from the Red Refrigerator. It was made by Cosmonaut, and yeah, the links will be down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Cosmonaut, for sharing your creation with the rest of the world, and thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, and bye-bye now.